Hey, in this video, I will show you how to make an Instagram gold note. It's something around the Olympics, so let's just not waste a second of your time and let's go. So there's certain keywords that you can make gold, like gold, goat, medal, victory, Olympics, and Olympian. But first, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. The first thing you want to do is go over to your DMs and click on the notes tab right here. And here you can either click on it or hold your finger on the note, and you have a leave note button. Here you have to enter one of these keywords, so gold, goat, medal, victory, or Olympics or Olympian. And when you type it in like Olympics, let's try it out. You click share, it should appear on gold. Sometimes it doesn't, and the reason for that is your region or that you haven't updated the app. So you want to go to the App Store right here. You want to click it here. You want to type in Instagram. You want to make sure there's no update option. Something that you should know is that sometimes you might have the gold option and you might not see it, but others will. So that's it. Let me know which country are you watching this video from in the comment section below, and also comment down if you have any other issues. See you next video. Bye.